Welcome to High Level Harris now. So what I'm going to tell you today is quick wins that you need to get through the door for clients, because you can't just go to them and say, let me to sell you this whole massive software. You need little things to show them instant value so you can get through the door and sell them on the bigger thing, which is the whole software. So let me tell you what these things are and how you do them. Now, as you know, I am the best affiliate on the planet. Here's all the benefits you get for joining my affiliate. And inside my affiliate, I teach you how to do this in more. I teach you how to do these in more detail. So these are some quick wins to get through the door to potential clients, and I'm gonna show you exactly how you do them on High Level as well. So let's get into the first one. Now this is a big one. You want to create them a website, a little mock-up with a booking automation. So let's say for example you got a med spa, you got a barbershop, you got hairdressers, female hairdressers that need bookings, but they don't have a website and they don't have booking automations. What you can do is use a high level template website, add a calendar with booking automations that will send an SMS to their phone. I'll show you how you do that right now. So what you can do, go on Google, go on the maps and type in hair and beauty salon, for example. Now you can see here, Rose Hair and Beauty Salon. They've got 8 reviews, which is very low. You can come here, you've got their number and there's no website. So this is what you do. You go on High Level, you go on the Sites tab. Once you go on the Sites tab, you go New Website, from templates. High Level has over 1,000 templates to make use of them. Press continue. And then you can scroll down here, we can find somewhere that says beauty and fashion. That will probably work. So for example, we typed in hair at the top. Let's say we just choose this one, for example. We go here, press continue, and this will add the template to our account. Okay, let's wait for that. And it takes us right in. Okay, so now we've got a website without doing anything. Looks quite good. We can change the colors, anything we want. I'll make a separate video on how to do that. But what you want to do next is go on Canva. You want to go on Canva to create the logo. It's a bit of work, but it's worth it, I promise. So let's quickly logo. What they call Rose Hair Beauty Salon. Perfect. Rose Hair and Beauty Salon. So let's go hair. Go on Canva. Let's get. This will do, just for purpose sake. Copy and paste their name. Okay, let's save this. Because all it needs to be white, because the background on High Level is black. So let's quickly save that. Okay, it's not the best, but just for purpose sake, we'll let that run. So now we got a cool little demo website. Let's quickly save it. Okay, so we have the website done. How long did that take? About 2 minutes. Now let's make them a calendar quickly. So what we do, quickly just create calendar, create a round robin, which is like the default. Call it example, whatever. Members, put me. Chat widget, mic, it can be Rose Hair 1, 2, 3, don't matter. Meeting duration, don't really matter. Saturday, Sunday, which do it all the times. Press confirm. Let's get that done. Example, okay. And just for purpose sake, we can add the logo in, just to add a bit more professionalism. And now let's add this calendar to the website. We can just go anywhere really, and let's add a quick column. Let's just add the calendar. So you add the calendar, choose a calendar. It was called example. And now let's add a heading, say book with us here. Okay, headline here, book online here. But now let's add an automation with their number, which is the important part. Okay, so let's quickly go on automations. Quickly create a blank workflow. This is what you do for your clients because it will just make everything 10 times better. Yep. Okay, let's add a customer booked appointment. Customer booked appointment, add filters. In calendar, the example calendar. Okay, so whenever someone books on that calendar, it will fire this automation. Okay, so what you want to do is once you've set that trigger up, you want to set up an internal notification to notify the company. For example, so you want to type in internal, send internal notification, SMS, custom number, and let's put their number that's on here. So go here, number, copy and paste, boom, done. Now you want to put custom values. So the customer's full name has booked an appointment with you at, now whatever the date and time is that the appointment was booked at, you go on custom values, then you go on to appointment, then you say you put start date and time, so that auto populate the contact's name and the date and time that they booked. That's all you need. Press save action, and that's it. Just keep it simple for the time being. Go on publish, make sure it's on allow re-entry, and you can save this as test. So now what you do is you either walk in, which is the preferable option, to the company. So look at your local companies and do this. You walk into them and say, this sounds a bit strange, but give me 2 minutes of your time. Let me show you. I've created your custom website and a booking automation. You sit down, you book on their calendar in front of them, and then on their phone, it will ping saying, person X has booked a thing with you, blah, blah, blah. And they'll be amazed and they'll literally want your services there and then. If you can't go to them, you can always message them, WhatsApp them through the phone number that was on through the phone number that was on the website, through the phone number that was on the Google Maps thing. You can message them, you can find an email, just make them book an appointment and see the automation run. That's how it works. So I can quickly show you how we do that. So look, we've got her number here. I can just message her. I will probably do this. Message her and say, look, I've created you this, and just give it a try. And once it works, they'll be amazed. Simple. This is how you get through the door. The second way how you get through the door is by automating Google reviews. Now this works hand in hand with the one before. Once you show them automation for the appointment setting, then you also say to them, I can automate your Google reviews. Now this company only had 8 Google reviews. You can literally say to them, I can automate Google reviews. So you get to the 50, you get to 100, 200. And a crazy stat you should remember is that 84% of customers who choose businesses who reply to the reviews. So once you get more reviews, you can say to them, I can automate your reviews, and on my software, you can reply to the reviews via the software, even through the mobile app. So now you see how you got conversations going. They're so interested because they've seen the automation work with their SMS, that they want to get their Google reviews up because they want to rank higher on Google. So that's how it works. That's the second way. Third way, missed call text back. 62% of all calls that go to businesses go unanswered. You want to say that to them. And the way you create missed call text back is so simple. You flick a button. So first, you make them a sub account. I'm gonna create a separate video on this, but you go on agency view, you go to sub account, you go to sub account, fill that all out with the details, and then what you do once you got the sub account, you click on the sub account. What you do is go to settings, you go to business profile, and you enable missed call text back. Now what this does is that whenever someone rings their number, I automate message to say, hi, this is company's name. I saw you missed your call. How can I help? So they will never miss a call. But this only works if you use a high level number. Only works if you use a high level number, which is a bit annoying. You need to make them use a high level number. But what you can do is use a high level number and forward it to their normal number. So go to add numbers, add phone numbers, which I've done here. After pressing that, let me edit configuration. So You put the name. You want to forward the calls to their normal number, so it all works. So the high level number, and what you want to do, the high level number is a number that you want customers to ring. So customers will ring the high level number, it would forward to their normal phone, and they could pick it up normally how it works. But say for example they don't pick it up, the customer rings the high level number, if your client, the business owner, doesn't pick it up, an automated message will send out. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll answer any questions. So you want to forward calls to their normal number, but you want them to advertise on their website or in their store the high level number for this to work. Lastly, tap to pay. I'll put a little screen recording how it works. But I heard Apple and Android have come out with this tap to pay new thing. But Highlevel on the app, I actually been having this already. What it is that you can type a value amount on your phone. So say for example, I'm a business owner and I want to charge someone £30. I can go on the Highlevel app, type in £30. I put my phone out. My phone becomes a card reader, so a client can get their phone, tap it, and it'll process payment, or tap their card and it'll process the payment. So that's how that works. But why the Highlevel one's better than the Apple and Android one is that you can tap to pay for monthly packages. You can also, once someone pays, you can create a contact which you store in the software, which then will build your contacts list, which will then of course later on you can blast them with emails and SMS. So that's the two things why tap to pay on Highlevel is better than what the new update on Android and Apple is. So if you want to join my affiliate, here are all the benefits. And I've got the best affiliate on the planet. I'll teach you more things that are not on here. If you want the extra things, join my affiliate and I'll teach you. But these are all the things that you need just to break that break the ice. You can't full out go to them and say, I'll do website automation, CRMs, I'll do this, da 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 da. You need one thing, focus on that one thing, provide instant value, as much value as you can as possible up front. Once you do that up front, then they'll trust you and they'll eventually pay you $297 a month. That's how you get things going. So that's it. Thank you, and yeah, any questions, let me know.